class. Welcome back to your VPS e-learning class, children. As you all know that yesterday I have completed lesson 3, The Clever Little Tailor. Today I am going to start with your new chapter, that is lesson 4 of English language. It is articles. So you all know articles are a and the. You use a before consonant sound words, and before vowel sound words, and the before definite. It is a definite article, so we use before a particular person or thing, beta. Okay, so what do you mean by vowels? Vowels are the a, e, I, o, u. So vowel sound words, when we use, we can use and before that. Okay, so let's start the video. Okay,
Morning class. As you all know that in the yesterday class I have completed the lesson 3 of English literature course book, children. Today I am going to start the lesson 4 of English language, that is articles. Articles, you all know, in the previous classes ma'am have told you that articles are a and the. So you are seeing in the picture, teacher is teaching and the children are sitting in front of him, na? Sorry, her. So, students are reading a lesson. She is using a chalk. So, before chalk, we use a. Article a. Students are looking at the blackboard. So, blackboard, we are using the article. Here, a and the are the articles. Teacher is writing on the blackboard. We are using the article. Recess will begin in an hour. So, an is article we have used in this sentence. Na? So, come to the articles. We use a before common noun which are singular in number and begin with a consonant sound. Means we use a article before common nouns which are singular in number. Single means one in number and begin with a consonant sounds. Now there is some confusion that what do you mean by vowel and what do you mean by consonants. So vowel are the letters A, E, I, O, U. Vowels are the letters A, E, I, O, U, and rest of the letters are consonants. Okay, so like this, a chapter. This is the example when we use a article. A chapter, a car, a pen, a chair, a utensil, a star. So we use and before common nouns with which are singular in number. We use and before common nouns as we use a before common noun singular in number, but it begins with vowel sounds like this. And r. Now you ask that r is with h, but h is silent here, so we use an r. An ice cream. Ice cream, I is there, so we are use an alligator, an American, an honest man, an idea. Here H is silent, pronunciation O is there, an honest man. So it is an we used. Okay. So honest starts with a vowel sound O when we pronounce it. That's why we use an. Okay. So the letters H is silent. We pronounce honest as honest. Okay. Same goes for an R also. Okay. U is utensil is read as U. So therefore, utensil begins with a consonant sound. So we use a utensil instead of an utensil. Okay. Now some vowel sounds are like this. Apple is given. So it is started with A. So we use A as a apple or ant. B as in bat. E as in eagle. So these are all vowel sounds. A for apple, A is there. For eagle, E is there. That's why we use an ice cream, an orange, an umbrella. Okay. But these are all consonants. Bat started with B. Dog started with D. Fan started with D. Sorry, F. So these are all consonant sounds. K started with kite started with K. So these are all consonant sound words. Okay. So the articles A and the articles A and an are called the indefinite articles. It is clear? So come to the next page. So in this, the is called the definite article. A and an is called the indefinite, but the is called the definite article. We use the when we talk about a particular person or thing, like the Ganga. The Ganga. We use Ganga is a particular river, so the Ganga is a holy river. The girl was playing. Okay, so the girl, particular girl. Okay, like this, the Yamuna, the Himalayas, the Goa Express, the sky, the moon, the earth. Okay, the eldest member, the brightest star. So these are all particular. That's why we use the. Okay, so complete it. Go through this. And if you feel any problem, you can ask in the class group or personally also, beta. Okay, thank you.